Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It's Monday, September the 5th. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, global equity markets ended the week mixed. European shares were mostly higher and London's FTSE jumping close to 2% with shares in Rio and BHP up more than 2%. On Wall Street, shares fell in response to data showing the labour market continues to grow. The S&P 500 and Dow falling just over 1%. The Nasdaq also down. And over the week, the Dow and S&P falling more than 3%, while the Nasdaq was down more than 4%, as rising bond yields puts tech and other growth stocks that are sensitive to rising yields under pressure. Specifically, Meta shares were down more than 3%, and the energy sector remains the standout with a 44% gain year to date, despite a recent pullback. And on Friday, shares rallied, led by Marathon Oil. Well, all eyes were on US jobs data on Friday, with non-farm payrolls increasing by 315,000 jobs last month, above forecasts, and making it the 20th straight month of jobs growth. Average hourly earnings rose 0.3% in August to be up 5.2% on a year ago, while the rise in the unemployment rate from 3.5% to 3.7% indicates the US labour market is loosening. US Treasury yields eased in the wake of the data, the 10-year falling and the 2-year down 13 points to just below 3.4%. Major currencies were mostly stronger against the US dollar, the Aussie currently at 67.9 US cents. Well, the Australian share market is set to begin the week negatively. ASX futures around 0.25% lower. Global oil prices recovered much of their recent losses on Friday on expectations that OPEC Plus will consider cutting output when it meets later today. Brent crude rising 0.7% to $93 a barrel, despite ongoing concern of weakening demand as China maintains its COVID restrictions and global economic growth falters. The iron ore price has continued to slide to finish the week down 9.5%. And base metals were mixed, zinc falling 4.5%, but copper and nickel rising. And a softer US dollar boosted the spot gold price by almost 1%, halving its losses for the week. And Bitcoin has again dipped below 20,000 US dollars. Taking a look at the week ahead, here at home, the Melbourne Institute Inflation Gauge, ANZ Job Ads, S&P Global Services and Composite Indexes, plus new vehicle sales, and the AI Group's Construction Activity Gauge, the business indicators data that will be released this week. Taking a look overseas, the Cation Services Index out of China and in the US financial markets are closed in observance of Labor Day on Monday. That is your day ahead. We'll see you again tomorrow.